Wow. It was early into our second day at the park. We had just come from, I think, Trigger and then Pee Wee's Crossing, which are both level 3 trails. And we just wanted to kind of continue on some level 3s just to begin the day with, not take anything too challenging. So we arrived at Iron Horse, and at least the day that we were there, it was still marked as a level 3. And I would say going on Iron Horse, or at least most of Iron Horse, besides for the southern part, which I'll get to in a second, it is a level 3. However, the southern part of Iron Horse, I would argue, is a level 4, if not even a level 5.
I'm gonna go ahead and put lockers on.
The reason why I say this is it's a hill climb at this part of the trail, and it has some ledges in there. And if you know anything about SMORR, a lot of these areas like this have a lot of loose rock in them, so even if you think that you can make it with ground clearance and all this type of stuff, you just don't get a lot of traction on this type of terrain. Plus, this area of the trail, it's kind of open. There's not a lot of great winching points, so we decided to take a look at the trail which was next door to it, which was Logjam, a level 4 trail.
Skinny pedal.
Logjam is a pretty short trail. It's only about 0.2 miles. It's basically a gradual hill climb that has a lot of rocks, which I'll get to in a second. And there's about 250 feet of elevation change, but it's, like I said, it's pretty gradual. Really the only part of the trail that's a bit, let's say, steeper, moderately steep, is just the very end part. And if you have a lightly modified rig and you like rock crawling, then this is the perfect trail for you.
Taking like a pro.
It is a bit of a technical trail in the sense that there are a lot of large rocks. I wouldn't call them huge boulders by any means, but large enough that you have to watch your tire placement. I'm not sure how well a stock JKU Rubicon on 32-inch tires would do here. I would say there would definitely be some use of the skid plates and scraping of the differentials, and possibly even a winch pull or two. But other than that, I think it is doable with that type of vehicle. There are a few notable obstacles on the trail. Most of them are ledge-like obstacles, but probably the most notable obstacle is a V-notch-like obstacle. It looks a little bit challenging, but like most obstacles with good tire placement, it's really not too bad.
Not too many logs here. That's how it's done. You made it look too easy.
Well, it helps when you got somebody going right in front of you. I
Yeah.
just knew I had to bump it.
Yeah.
Get the speed.
Yeah. Bite. Okay. Don't get off the gas. Fatal mistake. Laying off too early. Logjam. Like I'm a professional. Okay, I think here we'll take a spot. Driver?
Little passenger.
going with it. I think I'm up. Just a little. Yep. We're gonna start going up. Driver. Okay. Yeah, keep the way they are for probably another 6 inches at least. I want to get your full tire on there. Yep. Okay, now you can go straight. And now a little bit. Yeah, perfect. We'll try that. Up. Just okay.
Give me a little passenger. Okay. Driver. Give me passenger. Bump up back onto you. You're starting to fall off that ridge. A little more. Driver. Okay, passenger. Driver. You got a rock sticking out. Okay. Give me about 6 inches.
That's what she said.
Okay, passenger. Straight. You got a little bump?
Straighten. Just a little bit, driver. And yep. Yep. Intersection with Iron Horse. So we'll go west.